Hi, I'm Lori Rowe. I'm the maker and the shaker of Jordan Ridge sauces out of Black Diamond, Alberta. When I was growing up, my grandma would serve us homemade meatballs with meatball sauce that was a family favorite. Fast forward a few years, I'm using that same meatball sauce on salmon, and my kids are dipping their chicken fingers in it. The world is a hectic place today, and people are starting to realize that the quality of the ingredients they have in their food matters. Jordan Ridge uses generational farm family recipes to create a unique line of sweet, sticky, premium barbecue sauces. Simple ingredients, no preservatives. In the past 6 years, I've partnered with a food broker, a distribution company, and I'm now wholesaling it myself. Maple Campfire, Sweet Barbecue, and Sweet Jalapeno Barbecue are available in food service size as well. Jordan Ridge sauces are backed by a kick-ass team of Jordan women and a host of family friends who jump in and help at market days and kitchen production days. About 6 months after my first sale, a lady approached me and said, "Had you ever thought about doing custom orders?" And that had never crossed my mind. So of course I went, "Sure, I can do that. What did you have in mind?" Well, it turns out she wanted to do a little gift giveaway for some tenants. Further to that, it turned out to be a stampede giveaway to 3 big office towers in downtown Calgary. 10,900 bottles. This was a huge win, not only because of the exposure to thousands of new customers, but because each of those 3 towers submitted one item for a gift option, and that year Jordan Ridge was 2 of those 3 options. Jordan Ridge Sweet Jalapeno was also featured on the Calgary Stampede menu with brand recognition for 2 years. They were ordering pallets of gallon jugs, and I had not even created the label yet. Our mission statement is to create a product line of superior sauces using generational farm family recipes. Remember that little meatball sauce? It's been renamed Maple Campfire Dip and Grill. Think canoe trips and trail rides. I think my mom and my grandma would be pretty proud of how far that little meatball sauce has grown. The company's named after them. It's a solid tradition.